We're starting with a home built in the early 70s, and we are trying to update the layout, modernize it for a family in the 2020s, and really open the floor plan up, open the spaces. There was a lot of issues from the original construction of the home. The house was failing in several areas. So this home has 5 levels to it, and so that's one of the reasons we're calling it Lakeshore Levels. So it's really 3 floors with 2 half levels. So there's a lot of different elements that you don't see in most new homes today. And that was one of the attractions with the project was, tackling the design ideas for something that we don't get to work with every day. Most modern architects don't have these multiple levels. And so that was the fun aspects of the home, but also one of our challenges was how to make this more livable, how to make it more accessible, how to open it up with the different structural elements. We are wrapping up our stripping of the house and exposing the bones, and we're shifting into kind of our structural repair phase and the structural carpentry phase of the home. So rebuilding the envelope and the shell, opening up the floor plan, and then we'll be able to jump right into our trades and getting them in the house. We'll be pursuing the NGBS certification. In the preliminary testing, our home tested is the worst of any new American remodel project, and our goal is to make it the most improved. We'll be focusing on conservation and efficiency, but then we'll also be producing power with this house and hopefully getting to a net zero energy finished product.